Girl, you can't be talking to me. My face is a beat. My face is beat. Hi lovies, it's your girl Amara here. Welcome back to my channel, Level of Lloyd. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, and also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when it says to upload new videos. So today, guys, I am going out and my face is like filled with all my favorite products. So why not record a video of my favorite items and what I use to get this look. So if you guys want to see what are some of my favorite products and how I achieve this look with those products, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna start off using the No. 7 Beautifully Matte Makeup Base. I really like this one because it has like a thick consistency and I really like the way it dries. So I just apply it to my T-zone area and I kind of let it sit for a while before I actually blend it into my skin. I don't know if you guys ever try the, what is it called? The Milk of Magnesium. I kind of feel like this has the same consistency when you let it sit on your face and dry and then you blend it out. The makeup seems to adhere to it really well. So I just let it sit on my skin, like I said, for a couple of seconds, and then I go in and I blend it out with my finger. And that is pretty much as far blended as it's going to get. So I'm going to move on to my next favorite product, which is my e.l.f. Color Correcting Stick. It looks like this. And I believe this is like $1 or $2. I really like this because the color is perfect for me. It's the way it blends out. It blends out pretty sheer, but it gets rid of my dark spots. I just go over my hyperpigmentation wherever I feel like I don't want to show through my makeup. My next favorite product, which is my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and it looks like this. This brush is like everything. It's really an eyeshadow brush. Well, not an eyeshadow brush, it's a crease brush for the eyeshadow, but I use it to blend out my color correcting stick. My next favorite product is my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and like this is literally like holy grail for me. I used to use this foundation, I want to say 5 years ago, and it was my holy grail back then, and then I stopped using it because I started using other foundations or whatever. But this foundation, just the way it leaves my skin that subtle radiant glow, I just really love it. It covers all my flaws, it leaves your skin looking smooth. At this point, there's not much I really expect from the makeup industry anymore. I mean, I feel like everything has been done, so it's like, if you have that foundation that works for you, stick to it. And I'm like, you know what? This foundation always worked for me and I'm going back to it. So I just put 2 pumps on my hand and I take my foundation brush and press it into my skin. So this is the finish of the foundation, and as you can see, it has a very skin-like finish. It looks very natural, but I'm going to do my eye makeup off camera, and I'll be back to talk about the rest of my favorite products. Okay guys, so I am back, and as you can see, I already completed my eye look. Yes, I definitely did record it, so that video for this eye look will definitely be up as well. But let's keep on going into the favorites. So my next favorite is my Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I like to actually contour before I do my highlighter. When I do my contour first and then I do my concealer after, I find that the contour looks like seamless and looks more blended in to the skin. My my next favorite product is my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 400 Caramel, and I just love this concealer. It's so thick, it's so creamy, it's full coverage, and it's not expensive. So I just allow the concealer to sit on my face for a little bit, a couple of seconds, and then I go in and blend it out. Which leads me into my next favorite product is my Morphe M334 angled brush. When I tell you, it just fits right into the curves of your face. So I already let the concealer sit on my face for a little bit, so now it's time to blend it out. And it just blends everything out so seamlessly. Do you see the structure coming along? We're not done yet, but do you see the structure coming along? That's what I'm talking about. That's why I enjoy doing the concealer after the contour, because like it just sets you up for perfection. Alright, so I'm gonna blend this other side up. Moving on to my next favorite product, which is my SACHA Butter Cup setting powder in the shade Banana. Is it? No, what am I talking about? No, the shade is not Banana. It's just called SACHA Butter Cup. And then press that underneath my eye to set that makeup. So I allow this powder to sit in my entire face for about a second or two, and I really enjoy this powder because it's a finely milled powder. When you take photos, it has like a flawless look. So now I'm just gonna take the blender and pat that powder into my skin. So while this is allowing the powder to set your face, it also is blending everything in with one another. This technique allows the foundation and your whole routine to last many hours of the day. Once I feel like everything is blended in seamlessly, I go in with my next favorite product, which is my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan. This is my holy grail, y'all. I cannot live without this. This is my transition shade. This is what brings this entire look together. The light, the dark, everything. This is it. Like, this is it. I take my big powder brush. I swirl it on the inside. I go around the contour. And I just blend everything together. Because the purpose is to blend out that harsh line. And do you guys see how flawless this is turning out? Like, I live by this powder. Moving on to my next favorite product, it is the Morphe M165 angled brush. This is my favorite brush to do my eyebrows. All the bristles come together so perfectly, and I get right up underneath the brow as close as I can get, as close as I want to get. And then I just take another brush. It's not my favorite, but I just take it and I blend out the concealer from underneath my eye. Alright, so let's move into the next favorite product of mine, which is my MAC Prep and Prime Spray Hunty. It literally melts everything that you put on your face together. Like, it's almost like it presses all the layers of makeup that you put on. It presses it together, and then your face comes out looking like flawless and beautiful and beat to the cause. Like, honey, who's telling me what? Who's telling me what? Okay, so let's move into the second to last favorite of mine. Well, actually, it's not the second to last because I already spoke about it. but we're going back into the Tartiest palette, the Tarte Pro Glow Tartiest palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Fire. It definitely is fire, and I'm going to put that on the highest points of my cheekbones. And I like to start in one spot, like so, and then slowly work my way backwards towards my hairline. So I put a little bit of that on the forehead. It's gonna go on the Cupid's bow. I am going to go into the last product, and this is the MAC lip gloss in the shade See-Through. This lip gloss is so beautiful. It literally goes with any eyeshadow you put on. And what I also like about this lip gloss is that depending on the lip liner that you choose to use, you can actually lightly tint the lip gloss. So if you're wearing a red lip liner, you will actually wind up tinting the lip gloss, and it will take a shade of that lip liner, and it will look really, really pretty. I enjoy this lip gloss, and I enjoy all the products that I showed you today, because look at my face. It's flawless. Like, who, like, what? What? Girl, you talking to me? You talking to me? Girl, you can't be talking to me. My face is a beat. My face is beat. Okay, lovies. Well, this concludes this video. I hope you lovies try out some of the products that I showed you in this video, because I'm telling y'all are not going to regret it at all. Look, you're not. You're definitely not going to regret it. So go buy some of those products, try it out, and if you do, comment down below this video and let me know. And if you already have the products, comment down below and let me know what you think of them. Do they fall underneath the category of Holy Grail, or do they fall underneath the category of trash bag? Let us know. But I love y'all, and until next time, always remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.